Most important things you should do in emergency medical condition is be prepared. Your guide to navigating medical emergencies. Hey everyone, being prepared for medical emergencies is crucial. You never know when someone might need immediate help, at home, work, or in public. Knowing how to respond quickly can mean the difference between life and death. Let's dive into the essential steps of handling medical emergencies. Recognizing the red flags. How to spot a medical emergency. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the essential steps to identify when a situation requires immediate medical attention. Let's start with recognizing when a situation is a full-blown emergency. It's crucial to act quickly and decisively. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Your intuition can be a powerful tool in these moments. Specific signs to look out for include chest pain, especially with shortness of breath or pain radiating down the arm. It could be a heart attack. Call 911 immediately. Time is of the essence in such cases. Difficulty breathing is another red flag. It could indicate a severe asthma attack or a collapsed lung. Both conditions require urgent medical intervention. If someone is gasping for air or their lips are turning blue, they need immediate medical attention. This could be a sign of oxygen deprivation, which can be life-threatening. Severe bleeding is another critical sign. It's important to recognize the difference between minor cuts and life-threatening hemorrhages. If you see a lot of blood, especially if it's spurting, act fast to control the bleeding and call for help. Applying pressure can be a life-saving measure. These are just a few examples, and we'll dive deeper into specific scenarios later. Understanding these signs can make a significant difference in the outcome of an emergency. The important thing is to be aware of these warning signs and take them seriously. Being prepared and informed can help you stay calm and act effectively. Early recognition is crucial in emergency situations. The faster you identify the problem, the quicker you can get the necessary help. Stay alert and trust your instincts. Often, your first reaction is the right one. Don't hesitate to act if you feel something is wrong. Your quick response can save lives. Remember, in an emergency, every second counts. By staying informed and prepared, you can make a real difference. Educate yourself on basic first aid and CPR. These skills can be invaluable in an emergency and can help stabilize the situation until professional help arrives. Discuss emergency plans with your family and friends. Knowing what to do in advance can reduce panic and ensure everyone knows their role. Participate in community emergency preparedness drills. These exercises can provide practical experience and build confidence in handling real-life emergencies. Keep a list of emergency contacts handy and program important numbers into your phone. Quick access to these contacts can be crucial in a crisis. Ensure you have a well-stocked first aid kit at home and in your car. Regularly check and replenish supplies as needed. By taking these steps, you can feel more confident and prepared to handle medical emergencies. Your preparedness can make all the difference in saving lives. Remember, being prepared is not just about your safety, but also about the well-being of those around you. Together, we can create a safer environment for everyone. Don't panic. The importance of staying calm in emergencies. Recognizing a medical emergency is the first step. Now, take a deep breath. Staying calm is crucial. When you're calm, you can think clearly and make better decisions. Your calmness can also help the injured or ill person. Remind yourself that you've got this. Assess the situation. Are there any immediate dangers? Is the scene safe? Formulate a plan and project an aura of calmness. Speak in a clear, steady voice and reassure the person that help is on the way. Your composure can make all the difference. Getting help on the way. The right way to call 911. You've assessed the situation and it's clear you need to call for help. Whether it's a medical emergency, a fire, or a crime in progress, knowing how to effectively communicate with 911 can make a significant difference. Don't assume someone else has called. It's better to be safe. In many emergencies, multiple calls can provide dispatchers with more information, which can be crucial. When you dial 911, provide clear and concise information. Speak slowly and calmly, even though it might be difficult in a stressful situation. Start with your exact location. Look for landmarks or street signs if you don't know the address. This helps emergency responders find you quickly, especially in unfamiliar areas. Describe the nature of the emergency. Be specific. Is it a fire, a medical issue, or a crime? The more details you provide, the better prepared the responders will be. Tell them how many people are involved and any visible injuries. This information helps dispatchers send the appropriate resources, whether it's an ambulance, fire truck, or police. The more information you provide, the better equipped responders will be. They can prepare for what they will encounter upon arrival, which can save precious time. Don't hang up until the dispatcher tells you to. Staying on the line ensures that you can provide additional information if the situation changes. They may have further instructions or need additional information. Follow their guidance carefully, as they are trained to handle emergencies and can offer critical advice. Stay on the line and follow their guidance. They might instruct you on how to perform first aid or keep you updated on the arrival time of emergency services. Your clear communication can expedite help. Remember, every second counts in an emergency, and your ability to convey information effectively can make all the difference. Be the first responder, essential first aid techniques everyone should know. In emergencies, every second counts, and knowing what to do can make all the difference. While waiting for paramedics, there are crucial steps you can take to stabilize the situation and provide immediate care. These actions can be the difference between life and death. Basic first aid knowledge is key. Familiarize yourself with the contents of a first aid kit and understand how to use each item effectively. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, can keep blood flowing if someone's heart has stopped. It's a vital skill that can sustain life until professional help arrives. Controlling bleeding is another essential skill. Severe bleeding can lead to shock or even death if not managed promptly. Apply pressure to the wound to help stop the bleeding. This simple action can prevent excessive blood loss and stabilize the injured person. Use a clean cloth or bandage and apply firm pressure. Ensure the material is sterile to prevent infection. Treating shock is also important. Shock can occur due to severe injury or blood loss and requires immediate attention. Signs of shock include pale skin, rapid breathing, and a weak pulse. Recognizing these symptoms early can help you act quickly. Keep the person lying down, elevate their legs, and keep them warm. This helps maintain blood flow to vital organs and can prevent further complications. The Heimlich maneuver can save someone choking. It's a critical technique that everyone should know. Abdominal thrusts help dislodge an object blocking the airway. Quick action can restore breathing and prevent brain damage. Knowing these basics can give you the confidence to act quickly. First aid training empowers you to handle emergencies with calm and precision. Your actions can potentially save a life. Being prepared and knowledgeable in first aid can make you a crucial link in the chain of survival. Your lifeline in a pinch building and using a first aid kit. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential for medical emergencies. You can buy pre-made kits or create your own. Include adhesive bandages, sterile gauze pads, and antiseptic wipes. Add antibiotic ointment, medical tape, and pain relievers. Familiarize yourself with the contents and how to use each item. Check your kit regularly to ensure everything is in good condition. Replace expired items promptly. A well-maintained first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Be prepared and know how to use your kit effectively. Let's dive into specific scenarios you might encounter: heart attacks, chest pain, shortness of breath, nausea, and arm pain. Call 911 immediately and help them get comfortable. Strokes, sudden weakness, numbness, confusion, and difficulty speaking. Time is crucial. Call 911 right away. Severe allergic reactions, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, and low blood pressure. Administer an epinephrine auto-injector if available and call 911. Burns caused by heat, chemicals, or electricity. Cool the affected area with water and cover with a sterile dressing. Seek medical attention for severe burns. These are just a few examples of emergency scenarios. The more you know, the more prepared you'll be. Your knowledge can make a significant difference. Stay informed and ready to act. Aftercare and follow-up are just as important as the initial response. Ensure the person follows their doctor's instructions carefully. This may include taking medications, attending follow-up appointments, and making lifestyle changes. Be aware of potential long-term effects of the emergency. Watch for signs of complications or worsening symptoms. Seek medical attention if unusual symptoms occur. Recovery can be a long process, both physically and emotionally. Be patient, supportive, and understanding. Your support can aid in their recovery. Take proactive steps to be prepared for medical emergencies. Enroll in a first aid and CPR course. These courses teach you the skills to respond effectively. Have a family emergency plan in place. Include escape routes, meeting places, and emergency contact information. Keep a list of important numbers easily accessible. Educate yourself with resources available online and in libraries. Knowledge is power. Be prepared. Your preparedness can make a significant difference. That's it for today, everyone. Being prepared for medical emergencies empowers you to make a difference. Recognize the signs, stay calm, provide first aid, and know when to call for help. The knowledge you gain could save a life. For more medical information like this, visit allaboutmyhealth.com.